my pants. What you doing? Are you eating your hand? Huh? Are you eating your hand? Huh? What do you think? Do you want to give everybody a kiss? Go. Yeah. Yeah. You want to give him another kiss? Go. Yeah. Yeah. What? What was that? What was that? I think you just want to give another kiss. Go. You're so good. Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. It's not that serious. It's not that serious. No. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah. Yes. Yes. What? What? Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. I know it. Really? What else? What else is going on, Sav? Huh? Really? What else? What else? You could tell us. What else is going on? Yeah? What do you think about that? What do you think? Huh? Yeah? Well, sounds very serious. Yeah? Is there anything good going on? Is it all sad? Pretty sad. Really? Do you think a kiss will make it better? Go. I'll go with the phone. Yeah. Things are better now. Yeah? Oh, it's okay. You know there's no crying. There's no crying allowed. Nope. No crying allowed. You just gonna turn your head? You wanna say goodbye? You wanna say goodbye? Because you probably need a nappy. You say goodbye? One last kiss. Okay, say goodbye.